Hey guys, I'm Lindsay Ellingson, co-founder of Wander Beauty, and I'm so excited to introduce you to our Drift Away Cleanser. This is a product that we've been working on for the last couple years, and my whole team, we've been trying and testing this formula. We've been loving it, so I'm so excited that it's finally here and I can share it with all of you. Drift Away is a gentle sulfate-free cleanser enriched with coconut-derived surfactants, which effectively remove impurities and makeup, even the most stubborn formulas, without stripping your skin. Our unique gel oil formula has a double cleanse effect. It first adheres to dirt, excess oil, and makeup, and then reacts with water to form a soft lather, which washes away even the most stubborn makeup. To use, massage one pump of the formula onto your face. Next, add a splash of warm water, continue to massage. This is the perfect step to remove your eye makeup. And finally, rinse with warm water. We enrich Drift Away with seawater as well as fermented sea kelp, both of which are rich in skin-friendly minerals which help skin to retain moisture. They're both so nourishing and they help to calm any skin irritations. What I love about Drift Away is it's so gentle. I have really sensitive skin, so I love that after using Drift Away, the coconut cleanser takes away all impurities, all traces of my makeup, but it leaves my skin feeling soft and clean instead of tight and stripped.